Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to ARC Professional. So we're learning something like previously what we are consistently just doing to learning, and apart from that, a lot of things is comes like your favorite haircut, which is called the butterfly haircut. And today will be same haircut we're just going to be learning. The most interesting part is the fringe part is something you have a bounce here for it is something which will be which is called twist will be in there in the front portion. So the particularly significant right to left she wants to be forehead to be fringes that got separated to be that accordingly. Then one more just sections and just taking to the box sections are just small section and just separating. It's overall if you can just think like big box sections. It's randomly it's covering up to the square basis. It will be overall the horseshoe section if we may can say. So on side portion also is got to be separated. Now come to the back portions, and before cut she uses very less hair she want to be reduced on the bottom portion. Before that the crown portion, the occipital bone to the crown portion which is separating to the one more sections. Why? Because the bottom this we giving to the bottom layers which is called the graduations of 60 degree and 65 degree, and rest of the hair just pulling out with exactly with the elevations overall. Help up to the comb also explained very clearly in that case. So now we can just start to the one length basic haircut for before start to the cut. Just very tiny bit of pinch of the hair we can just going to be trim, and on top of that we just recreating the layers. So that can be made to giving to the foundations, even the graduations and the elevations also. So in this haircut it will be something is prettiest, most flexible and bouncy layers is going to be seen, and it comes a lot more layers on that. So the bottom portion we can just exactly fit with a 90 degree and just giving to the layers, and just whatever is the previous portions are left just creating to the foundations to be exactly elevate to the layers, and rest of the hair just be dropping down. Hope you guys the previous videos is enjoyed a lot, and now it's almost cut is got finished. I'm just cross checking and just releasing to the occipital bone to crown portion, the back portions, and the rest of the hair and just elevating. And before that I'm just take with a tiny bit of the guideline, and rest of the hair I'm just separating. I just clipping with the bottom portions, and now I release the top portions and just taking to the center profile, and the same the guideline also will be same. I just pick it from there. You can just see from the air to guideline you can just see very clearly, and the rest of the hair I'm just picking up and just add the layers. Exactly I'm lifting towards to the 120 degree and just giving to the layers. Now another side I just take to all the sections. It's going to be finished one section, and now will be going to be the side. And hopefully the previous videos are made so pretty much satisfaction you guys, and I hope so with that put it very well. And after finish the cut I'm just cross checking, and I will come to another side to the same the stationary guideline I pick from there, and just rest of the hair converted toward the layers. So this is called the butterfly layer techniques. It will be elevating and graduating. It's all the things will be included in this haircut. The prettiest interesting part we can learn from the butterfly layer haircut. A lot of things it will be changes will be there, and definitely it will be going to be implementing to the different parts on the layer cut. And now I come to the side portions and just giving to the one length base, and just before getting to the layers. So interesting part, if it's just bonus tips. And I hope so it will be making to the consistently, it will be giving to the good information in this video. And if you have any doubts and any questions and anything wants to be changed, please let me know comments below. Definitely I'll change for it. Now I come to another side and just take to the one leg basic again, and after that I just take to the, pick from the stationary guideline and rest of the hair, adding the layers. So after that we are cross checking. So almost our cut should be as finished. The butterfly layer haircut is always we just mean to be performing with the existing hair without reducing and non-compromising the length. It can be mixed with ultimately bouncier and makeover look and transformations. It comes out very well, and ultimately it will become end look was massive changes you may can just see. And the center profile section I just pick and just same stationary guideline I pick from the center of the ground and just reconnecting to the layers and slightly diagonal forwarding, just taking to from the back. Why? Because I want to add more layers and rest of the hair length as well, and just rest of the part just converting to the layers. These are my major concerns to be given each and every haircut. It will be consistently step by step small sections is taking and just giving the proper elevations of the layers. That can be make massive changes in small sections is always neat and clean. It will be give a glossy finishing, messy look, and it will become end looking with boom like blasted. So many things are there for when we just consistently started to this section by section the professional way. According to their desires, and a lot more things are there in the one haircut. So I'm just implementing all the techniques. Now I'm just releasing the fringes with the crown fringes and just taking to the exactly opposite directions, and left to right and just taking to all the section and just giving to the layers, and apart from that converting to the fringe. So before that I'm just taking to the below the nose and chin level. I just pick to the hair and taking that as guideline, and rest of the hair give fringes. Now cut is got finished almost. I'm cross checking and just giving to the diagonal sliding. And my cut is completely finished. Now I come to another side. Now my cut is completely finished. I'm just shaping up to the natural layers. I hope you all are understand and interested part with you. Hope you all are enjoyed the videos, and if you really like the videos, please hit the like button. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. Please, if you really like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Now my almost cut is done. I'm just shaking up to the natural layers which you can just share with you guys. This is the final look. Before styling, you can just see in completely all the butterfly wings you can just see in this haircut videos. And almost this will be shaking up to the natural bouncy and shiny layers. Now we just start to the blow dry. And before blow dry, I'm just confirming with my client with exactly natural look how it is. I'm just doing a blow dry. Another side too. Always I'm just giving the preparation for the spiral blow dry, which can be makes completely glossy finishing. Now just finishing with all my cut and just styling and just giving to the texture on the fringe portions. Almost the texturing is got finished. Now I just come to with overall the portions to be get released, and just you can just see after the blow dry and finishing the messy layers and finishing should be very glossy. Ambience will be pretty much good indoors. So this is the final look after blow dry and texture. You can just see all the layers are finishing out very well. So this is my final look and results. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. This is the final look, and just it will be sharpest layers and just butterfly wings, and it's called with a medium shoulder length. It will comes to the combination of the layers you can just see in, and that is the final finishing which can be made to the masterpiece after the haircut. That is a look up to the end of the day. So this is my final look of results. Please, if you have any doubts, please comments below. We'll meet up to the next video. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. We'll see you again for the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.